Howdy do, back again with another fan video. I was cleaning this one up before it goes nighty-night for the winter, so I thought I'd make a little video of it too. This one is a General Electric F11W7 Box Fan, window fan. Maybe somebody can help me out with this. I've never seen one with the green badges on it. Most of them were red. As you can see, the green also has the matching green handle at the top. Green badge on the back. It's also electrically reversible. And it runs good. Start off on low. This particular fan is one of those that it takes it a little while to get up to speed, even though it's been well oiled. That's my parrot you hear whistling. Now we'll do it on exhaust. I'd really like to know what year this was made. It's 1950s. 55 and 56, I know they had the red badges. So if somebody could give me a clue, then that'd be great. Thanks.